Hello everybody, I'm here, and today I was slightly, you know, disappointed. Why, if you ask that, I haven't time today because of not doing airdrop, because I do each day airdrop for making money, and that I show you for in order to other people can make money. Those haven't money, those are slightly broke. So like me. Anyhow, I'm going to show you today's true airdrop that I found. Um, just I found um, just I found in 2 minutes. So I pull this airdrop and I put in my Telegram channel, and I'm showing you how you can join. So here is I'm first showing you Aidatify waitlist. They raised $8.3 million, and their investor here you are seeing. So how you can join here is every link is your joining process. That each of those posts have that link. So here is just copy that link, paste onto your browser, okay, in order to join properly on those airdrop. So here is aidatify.com, and I'm opening this app. Maybe I need to just put my email inside of this platform, and that's it. So let me see it. It will be open slightly like this way, Aidatify. And now put your password, put your email here, okay, and after putting your email, click submit button. It will be immediately done. It is taking time because my network problem. It is not your any it's not your problem. Maybe it's might be not would be your problem, because inside where you are living, maybe internet connection is so good, okay. And yeah, the process is simple that I said, okay, I said in the so what you need to do is here, just put your email and click the submit button, and that's it. So never take it in complicated way, because nothing complicated, nothing uh, you know as difficult as you think. It is simple as that if you take it simply, okay. So it is fucked up because network problem. So after opening that app, it will its interface would be like this. So here is just paste your email like this way and click the submit button, okay. While you click submit button, congratulations, your email has been successfully submitted. You'll be notified as soon as it goes live. Stay tuned. Okay, I will notify you while they will be live. Live means while their testnet will be live. So in order to get the update, what we need to do is just walk through our the YouTube channel that you are watching. YouTube channel has uh, already put it. I'm showing you how you can do it, how you can found it if you don't found. So let's say you're watching this video, okay. So hypothetically you're watching this video. How's gonna going? So here is what you need to do. Just click on this um, thumbnail button, sorry, title, and more. Here is the link. Click on that link, and that link will bring you inside of the Telegram. And here's our Telegram. Everybody's intention is same, to make money And if you want to be the part of the community, I will definitely welcome you inside of our Telegram channel, because most of the time I do share majority airdrop in our channel. uh, just if you noticed here, so just walk through that link, and here is, it will be entire in this channel. So here is what I do is, each day I do share airdrop that are money making, as well as I do cover YouTube video that would help you, that it connect with you and me, and that's it. So if you do like this video and my conversation that I do stay through the video, so please write down comment that this kind of content I want to cover it by you. I will be glad to you. So see you later the next time. Until that, happy